Would you like to try grapefruit, baby? Grapefruit for breakfast? Ooh. Is it sour? Is it sour? Yeah, have some more. Is that good? Or is that sour? Is it really sour? Yeah. Woo! That was a good one. That was a good one. Should mommy try some? Should mommy try some? Woo! That's really sour. Okay. There's your banana back. Much better. Phew!